SOFI update for the 26th. So got the market sell-off today at 3.5%. Not a surprise. We're down 7.62%. At one point in the day, we were back up here though at 688. Hopefully you took the opportunity to sell some covered calls or hedge with some puts, as we fell a lot today. We fell 70 cents, and currently I was considering a few different things. I was considering a 333 correction. It kind of looked like it was. However, on a 333, this wave right here would be W and this would be Y, and it can't go past the 1.61 fib. And so I think it's the only explanation for the sell-off using Elliot Wave is definitely A, B, C, A, B, and then what I had before, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. But I originally thought there was a chance this was the bottom. And now with the overall market sell-off, it's looking like we might have a little bit more to go below this low. I don't think that much, but we can use parallel lines to figure out where we're at in the chart. And you can see from the start of wave 1 to wave 2, clearly wave 3 goes through that. So we know this is 1, 2, 3. And then if we take this to the bottom of wave 3, you'll see that wave 4 comes outside of it. And so the question is this wave 1 right here, or is this wave B? And it's got to be wave B, because this right here went higher than wave A. If this is a first wave, a second wave can not go past the start of wave 1. Plus, if you look at it, you can see it's clearly ABC. So we have 3 right here, and then we have A, and then we have B, and then we have C right here for the fourth wave. And we are heading down now. If I was to do projections of where we would hit a low at, and it would it depends on the overall market, obviously. I have SPY possibly going all the way down to 380. Kind of just depends, but Powell didn't sound very good today, and he doesn't speak for a few weeks. And so it's likely that if we were going to do a target on this, let's just see. The good thing was this fourth wave right here, it almost went to the 50% retracement. And so that's going to give us, our target will be a little bit higher. So if you're going to do a target on this, I would say anywhere from 583 to 558 would be my target based on Elliot Wave. Come down here in this support area, and that would be the bottom. This does not cancel out anything that I've talked about in the past videos. We could still be in a leading diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C, or we could be in a rising wedge, A, B, C, D, E. I'm not leaning either way. Could be either one depending on the overall market, but this is definitely the most likely scenario. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down here at 583. Anywhere below 602 would be valid, and tons of support. I don't think we're going to break the low, obviously, at, well, I'm on the 30-minute time frame. I don't think we will come down here and break this low. I think it's likely we might even bottom just right below this. If we zoom in on the 15-minute time frame, it's kind of hard to see where we're at. It's all red bars. 5-minute time frame, kind of get a little bit of an idea. The problem is, I would say this doesn't even come back to the 0.5 fib. I'm not going to zoom in any farther. These 1 hour price targets are good enough. So look for 580 to 560 as a target, anywhere below 601. And if we get lucky and the overall market somehow becomes bullish now, you could say that there's a chance we bottomed. I'm just saying, based on the overall market, I think it's more likely that we will break this low one more time. But that's good news if you're just trying to accumulate shares for the rest of the year. We have earnings here in a few months. We got options coming out. It wouldn't be that big of a deal for me, at least. If it goes down that low, I would accumulate some more shares. I've been selling a lot of puts already. I would just add to those. And yeah, just keep on accumulating. Nothing is wrong with the company. We're doing really well. Good earnings and everything. It's just the overall market is pain in the ass, and it's just how it goes. Nothing you can do about it. They're holding it down, and when the market's down 3.5% and probably going to go down more, this is going to sell off every single time, no matter what. Even if we had the best earnings possible, maybe if we got like an acquisition or not an acquisition, if we got anything that was bullish though, it's still not going to matter with the overall market going down. So yeah, to summarize, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and most likely a fifth wave down to 580, 560. I'm expecting the dollar to go to new highs, maybe like 110. I'm expecting the VIX to go to high 20s if we continue to sell off. It's really likely. And the yields are coming down. That's bullish for us. Not much else to say, but just know that if you accumulate shares, these patterns are going to play out, and you're going to be making a lot of money in the future. And sell covered calls till then, and you'll be fine. So I will put out a video on Monday, and so we'll see what happens. This possibility of this being a first wave pullback on Monday with the market, and then we go down lower. Let's hope that I'm completely wrong and we just hold 602, but this looks the most likely. So I will see you guys on Monday with another update.